Before we start this Consumer Compute, just wanted to let you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also get a Patreon account, sign up for free. All right, so guys, it's been a while since I've come and revisited the TLC phone from Metro PCS, right? This is the TLC XL50. Retails at $160. This is crazy. Budget phones up until like recently, like 2024, man, budget phones are crazy. I think really competing right now would be this phone as well as Samsung's A15 5G. But surprisingly, this phone's less laggier. I know there was a comment in one of the videos previously, is the phone laggy? No, this phone is not laggy at all. It's pretty fast. The screen is absolutely awesome. And the one big thing that I found out, wow, this is like the best Kindle book reader I've ever seen in my life. And there are settings in here where you can actually, for specific apps, turn it into like a grayscale or black screen. So looking at this, having this now as one of those like mini Kindle readers, if you guys know what I'm talking about, there's like a device out there that's kind of like a Kindle. It's an ebook reader. This is crazy. Not to say that I'd be using this phone as a 100% a Kindle reader. The main sacrifice you're going to definitely see on this phone are the cameras, but what's pretty cool is that, like, outside of the US, I mean, yeah, you do see cameras like this on phones, but I've never seen a camera like this in the US. This is probably the budget king, I'm going to say, of 2024. $160, you get a lot for what this phone offers. It has a headphone jack, USB-C. It does have NFC for payment tapping, and it's decent. Besides that, yep, you get the Samsung A15 5G, and I'm going to state this to my word. That is going to be the most sold phone in 2024, straight out. Just is. It's a world phone. It's cheap. People are going to buy it. It's got the Samsung brand. But up until this was, pretty much this phone here was introduced, this would have been my budget king. The big sacrifice here, though, is you can only use it on the T-Mobile network. It's a Metro PCS phone. At least in my networks, I can't get it at a T-Mobile. I purchased it through Metro PCS. I think I had it for like 2 months, canceled my account, but I can still use this phone. It is locked to Metro, but for some reason, I'm able to use it on T-Mobile, and I'm going to let it ride. Besides that, a few weeks ago, we had this company from nothing, right? The CMF brand. They introduced a $200 unlocked phone with an in-screen fingerprint reader, pretty much everything that you need to do for $200 unlocked. Decent camera, not the best, guys. These cameras are not going to be like a grade A Samsung phone or an iPhone 15, 14, but they're decent phones. You can use them. Customability, you can change the back screen. It's crazy. This was the budget king, personally, to me, but except for the fact that only if you're going to use it with T-Mobile. I'm going to let it ride. Hopefully it will get unlocked in 180 days. Once it's unlocked, I'll try it in a different provider. Then maybe this phone could be there. But as of right now, only phone that I can really recommend, the Nothing CMF phone for $200 unlocked. Straight out, you can customize it. Doesn't have NFC payments as like Linus from Linus Tips, Tech Tips pretty much stated. That's why he can't recommend this phone. Personally, me though, I can recommend it. It has an AMOLED screen. You're getting $200 worth this phone. If you're looking for an unlocked phone and you're not on Metro, PCS, T-Mobile, this is the way to go. Even the same deal, Metro, T-Mobile. Really good phone. You can get these on Amazon. You pay a little extra money. You get the 256 gigabyte version now. But if you are on Metro or T-Mobile, you're able to find a phone here. This is it. $160, you can't go wrong. It's gonna at least last you for a year, hopefully 2. So let me know, guys, in the comments below. Am I wrong? Are these not the Budget Kings in the US this year? Again, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I have a Patreon account. Feel free to subscribe, free membership, or you can subscribe for $1 a month. That's what I'm starting out with. Again, I can't, pay for I pay for these phones 100% myself. It does support the network for, it supports this channel for my unboxings, and it helps me get through this and hopefully give you guys the best information as possible as I continue this experiment of, YouTube videos. All right, on that note, thank you guys very much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.